Hello, my name is Yusuf Yagi, and my email is yusufyagi90@gmail.com. This is the third tutorial for Python. Hi, I keep on putting Python. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, today we're going to be learning how to use variables and literal constants. Sorry. Alright, so if you have ever programmed C++ or anything, you know that if you assign, let's say, a letter, a number, it is always assigned that number. So let's say cout I, you will return an answer of 5. Same thing if it's a string, if it's letters, or actually depending on the what you declare, it might be just one character out of all of them or the whole thing. But in Python there is no declaration. Sorry. Alright, so let's actually go into Python. Let's go into the terminal. Vim, the editor I use if you've watched my videos before, and let's assign I 5, and let's assign Yusuf 10. Now let's print the letter I, and then let's also print Yusuf, and let's also try giving sentence. Let's assign it a sentence. I'm gonna use just a quote, and how are you doing today? Alright, how are you doing today? And then let's print sentence. Alright, now let's save it. Escape, save, without of course the E, and then home, Yusuf, desktop, and then let's call it variables, and let's just call it variables.py. Alright, it's not showing us any errors currently. It shouldn't, but looks like it's doing it correct. Okay, now colon Q to exit, clear, and then as you can see I must have my terminal cleared all the time. Alright, let's go Python, and then home, Yusuf, desktop, and then .py. As you can see, I'm making a lot of spelling mistakes. Alright, as you can see, we assigned I. Actually, let's do this. Let's open another terminal. Alright, let's do this. Vim. Actually. Alright, let's just do this. Vim, home, Yusuf, desktop, dot py. As you can see, I assigned I 5, assigned 10, Yusuf 10, and then I asked it to print it, and then I assigned sentence, how are you doing today? That's basically pretty much learning about variables and literal constants. It's just that when you assign a letter or a word, it is used throughout the program. So let's actually try this. Let me show you this. Let's try this. Okay, print Yusuf. And if you paid attention, you'd realize that the space does not really make a make a difference to the program. It doesn't care about the spaces you put, so it's not gonna show spaces in the program itself. And then Yusuf, variables. No, hold on, let's call it variables. Can't make up my mind or my spelling today. Variables 2.py. Alright, now let's go over to this terminal and let's open variables 2.py. As you could see, it just used Yusuf again. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and happy computing. Yep.